In this video, I'll show you how to add columns and rows in Google Sheets. There's a couple ways you can add columns and rows in Google Sheets. One of the ways to add a column is to highlight the column and go to Insert, Columns, and this Insert Column left or right will pop up. Insert the column and it inserts a column for you. Follow that same process to insert a row. All you have to do to insert a row, click on the row you want, go to Insert, then Rows, and you can add a row above or below the row you selected. Do that and it inserts a row. Another way you can insert a row or a column is to use a shortcut key. If I go to the cell here and I press and hold Control, Alt, and the plus sign, this menu will pop up and you can add a column or a row. In our case, we're going to add a column, and a column pops up. Same thing to add a row. Hold Control, Alt, plus sign. That menu pops up, and this time we're going to select row, and a row is inserted. You can also use the shortcut key Control and the space bar. It'll select data first, but if you hit Control and the space bar twice, it'll select the entire column. And now if we hit Control, Alt, and the plus sign, it'll insert a column. It's the same thing for a row, but instead you would hit Shift and space bar. Hit it twice, hit Control, Alt, and the plus sign, and it inserts a row. That's how you add columns and rows in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe.